Join me as I dive into the surprising benefits of retiring in Killeen, Texas, and see if I can uncover the best-kept secrets of this hidden gem. When it comes to retiring, many of us dream of finding the perfect place to live, where we can relax, unwind, and enjoy our golden years to the fullest. But choosing the right location can be a daunting task, especially with so many factors to consider. Retirees often face a multitude of challenges when deciding where to settle down. One of the biggest concerns is affordability, finding a place that fits within their budget, without sacrificing the quality of life they desire. Another critical aspect is access to quality healthcare, which is essential for seniors who may have ongoing medical needs. And then there's the importance of community engagement, which can help combat loneliness and isolation. Many retirees also worry about staying active and engaged, whether through hobbies, volunteering, or simply being part of a vibrant community. They want to know that they'll have opportunities to pursue their passions, make new friends, and feel connected to the world around them. And let's not forget about safety and security, which can be a top concern for seniors who may be more vulnerable to crime or exploitation. Lastly, retirees often struggle to find a place that offers a sense of belonging, where they can feel at home and build meaningful relationships with their neighbors and community. It's a tall order, but finding a location that checks all these boxes can make all the difference in enjoying a happy, fulfilling retirement. Killeen, Texas, might not be the first place that comes to mind when thinking about retirement destinations, but bear with me as I explore the unique benefits that make it an attractive option for seniors. From affordable housing to a plethora of recreational activities, Killeen offers a lifestyle that's hard to resist. With its strong sense of community and small-town charm, retirees can find a sense of belonging and connection that's often lacking in larger cities. One of the most significant advantages of Killeen is its affordable housing market. Compared to many other parts of the country, the cost of living in Killeen is relatively low, making it an attractive option for retirees who want to stretch their retirement dollars further. This means they can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle, complete with all the amenities they desire, without breaking the bank. Killeen also boasts an impressive range of outdoor recreational activities, from hiking and biking to fishing and golfing. Retirees can stay active, enjoy the beautiful Texas scenery, and meet like-minded people who share their passion for outdoor pursuits. And with numerous parks, lakes, and wildlife areas, there's no shortage of opportunities to explore and discover new wonders. I'd like to share a story with you that illustrates the charm of Killeen and its people. Meet Mary, a retiree who moved to Killeen from California several years ago. Mary was drawn to Killeen's warm and welcoming atmosphere, which reminded her of her hometown in the Midwest. She was pleasantly surprised by the affordability of housing, the ease of getting around, and the abundance of community events and activities. Mary soon discovered that Killeen's residents were some of the friendliest people she'd ever met. They welcomed her with open arms, invited her to join their social clubs and volunteer groups, and made her feel like part of the community from day one. Mary has since found a new sense of purpose in Killeen, volunteering at the local animal shelter, taking art classes, and even starting her own book club. For Mary, Killeen offered the perfect blend of relaxation, recreation, and community engagement. She's grateful for the chance to pursue her passions, make new friends, and live life to the fullest in her golden years. And I think Mary's story is just the tip of the iceberg. There are many more retirees out there who could find happiness and fulfillment in Killeen. So, what makes Killeen, Texas, such an attractive option for retirees? It's the unique combination of affordability, recreational activities, and community engagement that sets it apart from other retirement destinations. If you're looking for a place to live life to the fullest, without breaking the bank, Killeen is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on retiring in Killeen, Texas. Have you ever considered this charming city as a potential retirement destination? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on retirement destinations and lifestyle.